in the red. Aggressive attempt at this hip toss. Gets reversed though by the suplex and great guard pass. Taking the full mount position or three-quarter mount. Manages to get the two hooks in. Our red corner swimming and searching for this rear naked choke victory. Very deep and tight on the neck. Referee stops the bout. And dominant control and victory there.
And the
Tajikistan taking that rear naked choke victory.